you can feel fall arriving, in the crisp air when the wind blows, the colors beginning to change and the days becoming shorter. We soon will officially welcome autumn, a time of change. These times of transition invite a deep introspection, a time to look at where I want to live more vibrantly, let go of what isn't serving me, and create the life I dream of. I've been making prayers to Mother Earth, asking her to please hold me, guide me, and lead me into a life of love, a life of gratitude, romance, joy, and play. Asking her to be my guide, letting her know I'll trust her every step of the way. Together we will bring my dreams to life. Yet for now, together we will embrace this time of transition, knowing that so much love and light will be shared along the journey. Fall is in the air. I'm like in my fall colors. I'm so excited for like cozy, warm weather, snuggled up with a blanket. It's hard to let go of summer, but gosh, the crisp air, so good.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other ones, no. Oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. No, no, no. We can do as we please. Don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to.
The sun touches my face. The birds sing. The wind blows in the trees. The warm tea touches my lips, warming me, touching my soul. In this moment, I know I am one with nature.
Romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act so strong. It's been, oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act so strong. It's been too long. Too I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed. Even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having fire.